Protect your ride's interior with FH Group's premium waterproof seat covers. Made of thick EVA foam, these heavy-duty covers are our toughest yet. They are stretchy, breathable, feather-light, yet surprisingly durable. Best of all, the fabric is waterproof, giving your vehicle superior protection from spills. Plus, the covers are pet-approved, providing maximum comfort and easy cleanup. To top it off, these FH Group covers are engineered to accommodate traditional or heated seats. Leave it to FH Group to provide extra comfort and protection for you and your passengers. This full set comes complete with 2 front seat covers, 1 rear backrest cover, 1 rear bench cover, and 4 headrest covers. Choose from a variety of vibrant colors and personalize your ride today.